Hi, welcome to A2ZKnowledge.com. So today we are going to discuss about what is anagram and how to solve the anagram problem in Python. So before getting into the topic, if you want to get my complete Python videos, I have given my playlist link in the URL. If you click that, you can able to see my complete Python videos. And I have shared my LinkedIn and Instagram URL in the description box. If in case like if you want to contact or connect with me, you can do via that. Okay. First, theoretically, I will explain you what is anagram. Okay. Before getting into that, I'm just giving you two words, act and then cat. Okay. What is the common thing between these two? Maybe you can pause the video and think. So maybe you used to think like act and cat, they are two different meaning, and then they are like two different grammatical terms. But the thing is, the common thing between these two words is you can see act also has a, cat also has a, and act also has c and cat also has c, and t, act has t, and even in cat we have the letter t. So I'm having two words, the orders of the letters are different, but if both the word has the same letters but in different orders is fine, that is called anagram. For example, I'm having a word ACTD and then CAT. If someone asks me whether this is anagram, I will say no, this is not anagram because the first word has D extra, but that is not there in this word. So they are not anagrams. So anagrams means two words with different orders of letter, but it should have the same letters on both the words. Then that is anagram. This is actually an interview question. So what is anagram and how to find the anagrams between two words? Okay. So this is not palindrome. That's very important to understand. This is not palindrome. So for palindrome, we used to give one input as a argument, one argument, but here it is two and more than two. Okay. So how to achieve this in Python? Okay. So here I have a method check s1 and s2, and I have written just a if else condition, and I'm invoking the method check and I'm passing s1 and s2, and you can see s1 is listen. I will remove this D. S1 is listen and S2 is silent. So I can tell by seeing this S1 and S2, I can say they are anagram, right? So if you take S, S2, silent S, S is there in listen, right? So in S1 we have S, and I is there in both the words, and L is also there in both the words, E is also there in both the words, N and T. But the orders are different. But both words has same amount of letters, but the orders is different is fine. Now, how you will fix this? How you will find whether these two words are anagrams or not? So I want to match these two words, but their order is different. If I do like S1 equal to S2, then I will be getting false, right? They are not equal. So to do that, there is a function that I'm going to use, sorted. So what sorted will do? Sorted will convert your string as a list, and that list will be in ascending to descending order, and that means both S1 and S2 will have the same amount of words when we order it, right? So I also printed this sorted S1 and sorted S2 because in if condition I'm actually doing the equals of S1 and S2, sorted of S1 and S2. So I just wanted to show you the output of sorted of S1. You can see both S1 and S2 after sorted, they are like in same order, ascending to descending. Your alphabets will be in ascending to descending, so that means this will be equal. So print the strings are anagrams. So if I run this, yeah, so you can see the strings are anagrams. Now I'm going to add a word letter D in the S1 as a last letter. If I run this, so they are not anagrams, you can see here, right? So sorted is one solution to fix this. You can also think what else the solutions you have to find out the anagrams. So thanks for watching a2znknowledge.com, and we do a lot of videos in tech videos in two different languages, English and Tamil, and please do subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching a2znknowledge.com.